Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 276 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is about letting go of the weight you no longer need to carry. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel your shoulders drop and feel your body soften. Imagine setting down a heavy bag you've been carrying. You don't need it anymore, and you are lighter now. Now, say to yourself, I release what no longer serves me. My heart is free to breathe. And I allow peace to stay. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present and carry this sense of release with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.